Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So first, we will take 1 liter of milk and boil it. After boiling, we will add 2 lemon juice actually to the milk and make it a paneer. We will add it and stir it continuously until it became a paneer. The paneer is ready. Now you can see that its texture is very good looking but still having water. We will now retain the water using a clean cloth. You can pour the mixture of paneer and water in that and squeeze it. Squeeze the water until it retains all the water. After you are completed with this, you will hang it over some place. Now, after some time of hanging, we are ready with the paneer to make it into something very delicious. Now we will take it out into a plate. We will now make it a dough. This will take a little bit of time. Squeeze it and make it a perfect dough. We are ready with the dough, but it still needs some time to orient it. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of whole wheat flour, whole purpose flour, maida, and mix it. We will mix it for some time. Keep mixing until it becomes a little bit of solid. The dough is ready. Now we will roll it and give it a shape. It's a tip that while you are rolling all this, you should apply a little bit of oil or you can say butter in your hand. We are ready with shaping. Now we will take 2 cups of water. It is actually 520 ml of water in a vessel and boil it. Now we will add 1.5 cup of sugar. We will stir it until the water starts boiling. And before the water starts boiling, we will add 4 elaichi or cardamom in it. We will add this. The water is now starting to boil. We will stir it for some time and then let it boil. Now the water has been boiled. We will add the rolls now. We will add it one by one to the boiling water. Boil this for some times, maybe 15 minutes. The 15 minutes is covered now. You can see that the spongy rasgulla is being floating on the top of the sugar syrup. became fluffy. The spongy rasgulla is now ready. We will taste it. Look how fluffy it is. If you like this video, like and share it. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel.